Hi, this video is for Ryder. So if this is not Ryder, please leave. So Ryder, I have your grades here. Fun background noise. And I just want to note the things that you are missing that you could still turn in for partial credit. Oops. So we have the items from Unit 1. And oops, these things are less than full credit. You may have already received late credit for them. So anything that you see that's missing, you can try doing the what ifs and see how they improve or affect your grade. Of course, for you, the best way to read your grades is not just looking at what's missing. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. And so here I can see your grade a little bit better. And so what I notice here is that we've got these different percentages, right? So practice problems, okay, you're at a 33%. So you've done about a third of your homework. The test, okay, you didn't turn in part of your test. You didn't turn in Unit 1 paper test. 0 out of 42. I emailed you about that. I told you about it in class. I emailed your parents and they said that you would turn it in, but I haven't gotten that from you yet. Next is your, so that's just 16%. The thing that is also bringing your grade down is your notes and participation. That's just 12%. That's the lowest thing, which means you could improve by starting to watch the notes. And then how do you watch notes? So easy. So if you go to your assignments, you can see we have the section notes, right? Video notes, notes. Those are all zeros, and you can just click on that assignment, but you've got to go through modules to get there. So, oh shoot. Let me erase all these things that I highlighted. And so let me just remind you of how to get to the notes to watch them. So here I come over to modules. And maybe you want to watch some old notes before you take that paper part of your test. Here's 1.5 video notes. And you have to be in modules, as you can see, and then all you have to do is click preview. It knows that I'm a teacher, so it didn't just let me play right away. And then here I click play,
so
and now we can see the notes begin. So I hope that helps you figure out how you can improve your grade. So again, the thing that seemed to be most important for you was starting to do more notes, and then I need you to turn in that other part of your unit exam. If you could get that done by the end of the week, that would be the best. Your exam is pretty low also because you can see right here 12.5 out of 58. You only answered a few of the questions on the test. So if you start putting in more effort, your grade will reflect that. Okay, cool. Thank you.